If you want a man to provide for you, this is all you need to do. Trust me, it works 100% of the time. Let's get into the video. Number one, you must date a rich man. Yes, you have to date someone who has the money, who is capable of providing. I hear a lot of girls say things like, oh, I've been with him for years. He doesn't give me anything. He doesn't provide for me. I work 2 jobs to take care of myself. Listen, working to take care of yourself is okay, it's fine. But if you want a man who will provide for you, who will give you what you want, trust me, you have to date a man who have what you want. Let's say you're looking for a man who will provide emotional support for you. You have no business with a man who is not emotionally intelligent. Okay? You are looking for a man who will provide money for you, who will support you, sponsor you, take care of you. You have no business being with a man who doesn't have the money. You want to date somebody who has what you're looking for in order to get what you're looking for from them. Very simple. You can't go for a boy who is working 9 to 5, who is trying to survive, and expect him to provide the flashy or fancy lifestyles. It's not possible. A man who is working 9 to 5, like you're working, he's working, and you expect him to provide the luxury house for you, luxury this, luxury that. How is that even possible? So you have to date the rich. If you want the Chanel bag, flashy house, expensive things, date the rich. Number one. Number two, you must date a generous man. Very important. A lot of women are dating these wealthy men who are rich. You will always find them sitting in front of the flashy cars, sitting in the man's penthouse, but their account balance is crying. A man can be wealthy and not be generous. So if you're looking for somebody who will take care of you, provide for you, go for the one who is generous. Go for a man who finds joy in making your life softer. A man who is willing to share what he has because he values you. You can't be dating a man because he's wealthy, because he's rich, and he's not giving you anything. And one day, if he's no longer beside you, you'll be stranded. Why? Date a generous man so you can be provided for, so you can be taken care of, if that's what you're looking for. And I'm sure that's what you're looking for because you clicked on this video. Okay, honestly, it's better to be with someone who doesn't have much but loves to give you. Trust me, than to be with someone who is wealthy. You know this person is wealthy, he's doing well, he's building empires, doing so many things, but can't even give you a thing. Don't date a stingy man and wonder why he hardly supports you, why he hardly give you things. When you date a generous man, he will always care about your comfort, your education, your little desires, and growth. I'm serious. And let me tell you something. You will find out a man is stingy on the first date. Yes, you will always know if a man is stingy from the first date. Let me say this thing. I've come to realize something. Maybe because of age, okay? I've come to realize that most of these men that we call stingy or women call stingy are honestly not stingy. Most men are not stingy. The reason why some of them are not providing for you is because they simply don't like you. I will say it again. Always go for people who really like you. Because when a man like you, when a man really like you, he will provide for you. I'm being honest with you. If a man like you, he will be happy providing for you. You will see how exciting it will be for him to provide for you. They would love to provide for you. A man can give you all of his money to do whatever you want to do just to see you happy because he like you. Leave your type alone. Go for the men that like you if you want to be provided for. Men who like you will always be generous to you. So the reason why most men are not even providing for you is because they don't like you. It's that simple. The next one on my list is you must date a man with a provider mindset. I mentioned it in one of my videos here that most women settle for Dusty and then try to change him. They settle for a man who don't even understand what it means to provide and cry or wonder why he's not providing. You date a man with 50-50 mindset, and you're wondering why he is not providing for you. On the first date, he's already asking you, what do you bring to the table? What do you do? Where do you work? And you still date him. Now you're wondering why he's not even giving you a dime or a thing. If you want a man to provide things for you, luxury, good life, don't be with a man who doesn't have the provider mindset. I'm telling you, there are men like that with this 50-50 mindset. Oh, I will provide and she will provide. I'll bring and she will bring. And there are men who really want to provide. They see it as a masculine thing. They see it as, oh, this is what a man is supposed to do. A man is supposed to provide. There are men who will look at you and ask you why he should provide for you. They will wonder why they should provide for a woman. Avoid them if you want to be provided for. Go for the provider man who can sponsor your life and help you achieve your dreams, who can support you, who can help you. That's what you need if you want your dreams supported. There are so many men out here who believe that it's their responsibility to take care of their girls. They are the men with provider mindset. They love to make sure the girl they're dating is good, is happy, is glowing, is topping charts, is intelligent, is educated. They invest in their education. Don't settle with a dusty and try to change him. It won't work. Don't settle with a man who don't like you and try to change him. Don't be in a hurry. Just calm down, watch, then pick what you want. Settle with the one who like you. So yeah, date a man who wants to provide. Not because you can't do things for yourself, but because he wants to make you happy, because he's a provider man. Next one is, never think you are too small to be provided for. Yes, you are not too small to be provided for. You are not too small for what you desire. Don't feel guilty for wanting financial care from a man. Even if you have your own money, if a man like you, he will want to give you. He will always love to provide for you, give you something. Okay? That is how masculine energy expresses love. So don't feel bad for asking him to give you something. Because when he wants to ask you something or anything, trust me, he will never feel guilty. He will never feel, oh, I don't want to ask her because she will feel bad. He will come straight to you and ask you for whatever it is he wants from you. So why would you feel guilty for asking this man for financial care or support or Chanel bag or whatever you want? You don't have to be a billionaire or a high-class woman to desire fancy things. Even if you're still building your life, you are still worthy of being with a man who invests in you with his time, money, energy, effort. If you make yourself seem low maintenance, men will see you as low maintenance, and that's where they will keep you. A generous man don't see spending on you as a burden. He sees it as a pleasure. He loves knowing you are taken care of. You are well rested. You are doing well. He will give you. He will support you. Because it will make him happy too. Let me tell you something. It's not about using him. You're not using him. Okay? It's about being with a man who naturally understands that providing is part of his nature. So don't bring your standards down because of fear. Because a real man will never go broke giving to a woman he values. Some of them even understand the power of giving to a woman. So they are always excited to give to their women. Asking a man that you are dating, that you are in love with, to support you, provide for you, pay rent for you, buy you clothes, wigs, fancy things, little things, is normal. Don't think you are too small to be provided for. You deserve to be provided for by your partner, except you choose the wrong one. The right one will always want to provide for you. And let me tell you something for free. Date a man who respects your hustle but still wants to provide. Most men who don't like to provide, when they watch videos like this, they'll be like, Oh, how about you make your own money? How about you working hard for your own money and having your own money? Listen, we live in a time where women work hard, chase dreams, and build their own. Okay? Everyone is aware of that. And I preach about independence a lot on this channel. But even in your independence, you still deserve support. You can be ambitious and still want a man to help you financially. That doesn't make you lazy. It makes you human. A man who truly values you will never say, oh, but you have your own money. No. He'll be like, okay, sure, I will support you. Because he knows you are working. You are not lazy. Maybe you don't have at the moment, or maybe you are craving for his support. Simple. He will never say, oh, you have your own money. He will say, sure, let me handle it. You've done enough. Putting in the effort alone shows that you are responsible. Provider men understand that when a woman is supported, okay, when a woman is cared for, she loves deeper and she won't stress you. So it's not about depending on him completely, it's about being safe with him. And to wrap this up, when a man respects your efforts but still provides, that is balance, not weakness. If you find this video helpful, drop your comments in the comment section, share with your friends, subscribe and join this community. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Mwah.